Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at a screen recorder called CloudApp Screen Recorder. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I'm on the Google search page here. I'm gonna search for get CloudApp. There you go. This is the website for CloudApp screen recording software. So I'm just gonna click here. There you go. This is the website for CloudApp Screen Recorder. This is a pretty good website. They've designed it well and it's pretty good. It's pretty neat. So before getting into the CloudApp Recorder, I'm gonna look for the product over here. Here we've got screen recorder, a screenshot tool, annotations, and GIF maker. Also we've got embedding and sharing options. Also we've got analytics for the videos that we are going to create and CTAs. All right, so also we're going to look at the integrations. So when I click on the integrations here, as you can see, we can integrate the CloudApp screen recorder with Chrome and other applications that we use on a daily basis. So this is fantastic feature, guys. So we can actually set up this recorder in our websites, in our search engines, and also in Google Docs as well. This is fantastic feature, guys. So I'm gonna quickly hover over to the pricing area here. There you go. This is the pricing for CloudApp screen recorder. There is a free version. You can record up to 25 videos and the maximum time limit allowed is 1 minute and 30 seconds. The video quality is up to 720p, which is the basic version that they have to offer, and they've got individual, team, and enterprise versions as well. So as you can see, among these three, the enterprise version has got unlimited video recordings and unlimited recording length, and you can record up to 4K quality. And in the basic version you don't get the analytics and admin controls, but in the team version and individual version and in the enterprise version you get analytics as well as admin controls. And when it comes to branding, we've got branding starting from the individual version, and then in case if we wanted to include a transcription in SSO, we've got only that in the enterprise version. All right, I'll quickly close this tab and I'm gonna visit the home page over here, and I'm gonna click on download free. As you can see, there are two versions. There is a desktop app as well as a Chrome extension. I'm just gonna quickly click on the download app here. There you go, my application has been downloaded. So I'm just gonna quickly click here to install. So I'm just gonna click next over here and choose the program directory here and click on install. All right, the setup is complete now. I'm just gonna check this run CloudApp now and click on finish, and I'm gonna click on open CloudApp. There you go, the CloudApp screen recorder has started. This is pretty much simple screen recorder, you guys. Here, as you can see, you can take screenshots, you can record the screen, we can create GIFs, and we can actually annotate. And when I click on the more button over here, we can see the shortcut keys or the hotkeys for doing all of this stuff. I'm just gonna quickly go back and I'm gonna just click on the record option over here. And when I click the record option, we've got an option to select the full screen, and we've got a option to select the region as well. So here I'm gonna choose full screen, and I'm gonna choose screen and cam, and here in the camera area I'm gonna choose my HD webcam over here, and there you go. Here we've got our webcam feed, and I'm gonna quickly press the plus button over here to increase the size and minus button over here to reduce the size of the webcam feed. And to set up the audio, I'm gonna go over to the audio mic area over here and choose my default microphone, and I'm gonna choose start recording. There you go. There you go guys, the recording has started and it's pretty simple you guys. As you can see at the bottom over here, we've got option to annotate as well as to recording, to look at the recording menu. So as you can see, if I click on the annotation over here, there you go, the video annotations are only available in the pro version. So I'm just going to close this and I'm going to click on the record options here to resume the recording. Once I have finished the recording, I'm going to click on the finish button over here. There you go, a link has been created. So all I have to do is Ctrl+V to paste the link. So I'm gonna do that here, and if I click enter, there you go, we've got the screen recording as a link. So by default the screen recording will be created as a link over here, which is the same over here. So I'm just gonna wait until the content has been uploaded, and if you don't get a link, you can actually see over here after the video has been done, we've got a link over here. So if I click here, the video link has been copied to the clipboard and we can share it as a link. Now let me quickly check the output of the video over here by clicking play video. There you go guys, the recording has started and it's pretty simple you guys, as you can see at the bottom over here. Alright guys, the video feed is fantastic, the video recording came out to be fantastic, and if I wanted to download the video, I can actually download it over here and we can actually download the video. There you go, I can just download the video. It's pretty simple guys. Alright, so what are the other things that we can do? I'm gonna check on the more area where I can allow comments, reactions, and actually I can customize this page where they can actually see my videos when I share it through link. Also, when I click on the recent area here, I get the recent video recordings that I have done already, and also here under the favorites area I can have a few videos set up as my favorite videos, and over here I can see all the files I've recorded, and there you go, we've got the recording that we have done here. We can actually delete or create a favorite video here, create a playlist here as well. So as you can see, free uploads are only 25 allowed in the free version, so we've got one uploaded already, and in case if I wanted to delete this, I can also delete it over here. Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly view this video and see what else can I do. So if I click on the apply template area, I can just create a sales intro or a bug report or a support response or an announcement. So it depends on whatever video that I have done. In case if I have done a sales intro, I can just apply the sales intro template or the bug report template or different templates for that matter. So I'll just click outside, and when I click on the integrations button over here, there you go, we've got integrations to Asana, Drift, GitLab, Fresh Service, and Google Sheets, Google Docs, and different project management softwares like Jira and Trello, you know, Slack, different kinds of applications are over here. So just have to click one of the applications. For example, if I click Chrome, and I can actually integrate my CloudApp to my Chrome. And if I click on different applications over here, I just have to log in and complete the integration, and we'll start working with the integrations of different softwares that is here. So as you can see, if I click on the Chrome, we've got screen recorder for Chrome, and just have to click download this recorder and install it as an application. So we've got different integrations, which is fantastic guys. The CloudApp is really fantastic. So I think CloudApp is one of the best screen recorders out there, but in the free version you only get to record up to 1.5 minutes only. PepperCloud is my favorite screen recorder you guys. I use this online screen recorder to record all my videos, and also it offers a free storage for me. which is pretty easy and pretty handy to use. Also, I get to edit the thumbnails and trim my videos using Cloud, and it is pretty simple for sharing my videos with individual person and the groups. Also, I have an option to share it on social media as well. Also, I get to stream my videos to different platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, which is a fantastic feature, guys. So I have included the link in the description. Please check it out. All right, having said that, I am here to give my final thoughts on CloudApp Screen Recorder. So CloudApp Screen Recorder is pretty basic, pretty simple, and very easy to use and efficient. Mostly, I think this is more inclined towards the sales and creating professional videos for your organization. So I think it's a fantastic web application for actually recording your screen. And when you go to the solutions area here, if you look at all of this area, mostly this is for recording your screen, sharing the meetings and stuff like that. So this is more like a project management software than just a screen recorder. The only drawback with this application is that we don't get to edit the videos, because so many other screen recorders offer um, recording as well as editing options, but that functionality is not available in the CloudApp Screen Recorder. So with that, I would like to end here, guys. So I think I've given you a brief overview on CloudApp Screen Recorder. So until I meet you guys with another screen recorder in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.